Hey guys, welcome to another guide. Like I promised today, we're going to be uninstalling the AFM F2 and we're going to be installing the official one from the Z1 Extreme. So I'm going to leave a link for the Lenovo. I mean, you can find it yourself. You just have to go to Lenovo support. Go here, either auto detect or put the serial code for your Legion Go. I don't know if everybody has the same one. Then you just want to download the newest driver. Then we also need the DDU uninstaller, which I showed last time. I'm gonna leave a link, so you just download it, extract it to anywhere you want. So we're just gonna run it. Oh, that's the extracted. So we're just gonna run it. It keeps telling me for the new update, but I already have it. So we're just gonna click no here. Then you're gonna go to select device type, GPU, choose AMD, and do a clean installation. So for a clean installation, you wanna clean and restart. So it's gonna shut out your Legion Go. It's gonna delete everything you have from AMD so we can start fresh and have no errors. So we uninstalled everything, we restarted. As you can see here, my resolution changed and everything. But so what you're gonna do is, after you download the driver, after you uninstalled everything, so you want to click here, then you want to install it. I already did for my recording sake. So after you do that, what you want to do is, once you install it, you click it again, right? You're going to press OK. You're going to accept the terms, but you're going to extract it. You're going to extract to anywhere you want. Just make sure you know where it is. And you're going to get a bunch of files like these. You're going to get more, but these are the only ones that are important. And you want to click on this one that has the long numbers. So this is our AMD software. As you can see, I don't have anything right now, and this is the official one, so it's gonna update to the one you have, and you're gonna click install. And this is the only thing that has worked for me, because before you just used to go to the AMD page and download it, but this one works for me every single time. As you can see, it already installed that fast, and it's the official, as you can see here. And I'm gonna go into my gaming, my graphics, and as you can see, I have AMD fluid motion frames. I think it's one. And yeah, there you go. That's how you install the Z1 back again into your Legion Go. And I'm just gonna click on the menu so you can see it's working. And some people said their Legion space doesn't work after they install the official one, and I just want to show that it actually does work, and I never had any problems installing it like this. So we're just gonna let it update and do its thing. See, we're here in the library and everything. We're gonna go in settings. We're gonna go this. We're gonna go check for updates. So you guys can see that it won't say that I need to download anything. Well, I actually do have to download this. This came out on the 11th. Wow, I haven't updated my Legion Go that long. Well, I just uninstalled everything. That might be why. But as you can see, it doesn't tell me to install my graphics drivers because I already have it. And like I said, this way it always works for me, and I never had any problems. So if you guys like this video, subscribe. I noticed that a lot of you don't subscribe or hit that like and comment. And I'll see you guys on the next one. See you.